When will you call me? When will you call me?
I'll call you when I get home. I'll call you when I get home.
When can we start the meeting? When can we start the meeting?
We can start when everyone arrives. We can start when everyone arrives.
When should I pay the fee? When should I pay the fee?
Please pay when you receive the invoice. Please pay when you receive the invoice.
When are you free to talk? When are you free to talk?
I'm free when my class ends at 4. I'm free when my class ends at 4.
When do you feel most productive? When do you feel most productive?
I feel most productive when the house is quiet. I feel most productive when the house is quiet.
When will you submit the report? When will you submit the report?
I'll submit it when I finish the final edits. I'll submit it when I finish the final edits.
When do you usually work out? When do you usually work out?
I work out when the gym is less crowded. I work out when the gym is less crowded.
When can I pick up the package? When can I pick up the package?
You can pick it up when the store opens. You can pick it up when the store opens.
When should I water the plants? When should I water the plants?
Water them when the soil feels dry. Water them when the soil feels dry.
When are you going to sleep? When are you going to sleep?
I'll sleep when I complete this chapter. I'll sleep when I complete this chapter.
When do you visit your parents? When do you visit your parents?
I visit them when I have a long weekend. I visit them when I have a long weekend.
When can we choose seats? When can we choose seats?
We can choose seats when online check-in opens. We can choose seats when online check-in opens.
When do you drink coffee? When do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee when I start my shift. I drink coffee when I start my shift.
When will you tell them? When will you tell them?
I'll tell them when we meet in person. I'll tell them when we meet in person.
When is the best time to travel? When is the best time to travel?
It's best to travel when the weather is mild. It's best to travel when the weather is mild.
When will you fix the laptop? When will you fix the laptop?
I'll fix it when the spare part arrives. I'll fix it when the spare part arrives.
When should I message you? When should I message you?
Message me when you reach the station. Message me when you reach the station.
When does the pain get worse? When does the pain get worse?
It gets worse when I sit too long. It gets worse when I sit too long.
When will you decide? When will you decide?
I'll decide when I compare all the options. I'll decide when I compare all the options.
When do you study? When do you study?
I study when the kids are asleep. I study when the kids are asleep.
How long will you stay at the office? How long will you stay at the office?
I'll stay at the office until I finish the report. I'll stay at the office until I finish the report.
How long should I boil the pasta? How long should I boil the pasta?
Boil it until it becomes tender. Boil it until it becomes tender.
How late is the shop open? How late is the shop open?
It's open until 10 p.m. It's open until 10 p.m.
How long will you work on this? How long will you work on this?
I'll work until I get it right. I'll work until I get it right.
How long should I wait here? How long should I wait here?
Wait here until your name is called. Wait here until your name is called.
How long will you keep the lights on? How long will you keep the lights on?
I'll keep them on until you come back. I'll keep them on until you come back.
How long must we wear masks? How long must we wear masks?
We must wear masks until the rules change. We must wear masks until the rules change.
How long will you practice the song? How long will you practice the song?
I'll practice until it sounds perfect. I'll practice until it sounds perfect.
How long will the sale last? How long will the sale last?
The sale lasts until Friday. The sale lasts until Friday.
How long should I stir the sauce? How long should I stir the sauce?
Keep stirring until it thickens. Keep stirring until it thickens.
How long will you live in this city? How long will you live in this city?
I'll live here until my project ends. I'll live here until my project ends.
How long should I charge the phone? How long should I charge the phone?
Charge it until the indicator shows full. Charge it until the indicator shows full.
How long will you keep the door locked? How long will you keep the door locked?
I'll keep it locked until everyone arrives. I'll keep it locked until everyone arrives.
How long do we wait for the bus? How long do we wait for the bus?
We wait until bus number 5 arrives. We wait until bus number 5 arrives.
How long will you keep quiet? How long will you keep quiet?
I'll stay quiet until I hear their side. I'll stay quiet until I hear their side.
How long is the movie running? How long is the movie running?
It plays until 9 o'clock. It plays until 9 o'clock.
How long should I apply the cream? How long should I apply the cream?
Apply it until the skin absorbs it. Apply it until the skin absorbs it.
How long will the window stay open? How long will the window stay open?
I'll keep it open until the room cools down. I'll keep it open until the room cools down.
How long will registration be open? How long will registration be open?
It will stay open until we reach 100 participants. It will stay open until we reach 100 participants.
How long will you sit here? How long will you sit here?
I'll sit here until my friend comes back. I'll sit here until my friend comes back.
Why are you wearing a jacket? Why are you wearing a jacket?
I am wearing a jacket because it's cold. I am wearing a jacket because it's cold.
Why did you leave early? Why did you leave early?
I left early because I had a doctor's appointment. I left early because I had a doctor's appointment.
Why are you studying tonight? Why are you studying tonight?
I'm studying because I have an exam tomorrow. I'm studying because I have an exam tomorrow.
Why are you taking the bus? Why are you taking the bus?
I'm taking the bus because my car is at the mechanic's. I'm taking the bus because my car is at the mechanic's.
Why don't you eat spicy food? Why don't you eat spicy food?
I avoid it because it upsets my stomach. I avoid it because it upsets my stomach.
Why are you saving money? Why are you saving money?
I'm saving because I want to buy a laptop. I'm saving because I want to buy a laptop.
Why did you call me so late? Why did you call me so late?
I called late because I was stuck at work. I called late because I was stuck at work.
Why are the lights off? Why are the lights off?
They're off because we're saving electricity. They're off because we're saving electricity.
Why are you tired today? Why are you tired today?
I'm tired because I didn't sleep well. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well.
Why did you choose this course? Why did you choose this course?
I chose it because it matches my interests. I chose it because it matches my interests.